This course is short but contains a lot of content. Every video explains one concept. You would need to watch this course more than once, so I made it short and easy to navigate. So take your time and internalize everything. The first time you watch this course, don't invest real money. I want you to have all the tools before you jump in the water. However, you should be active and apply everything I do. This will improve your chances of knowing what and when to buy. This is a practical guide. Before you turn your income completely passive, you need to actively build something. You need to have a plan. I will show you everything you need to know, but I can't take action for you. Invest in your preparation now so you can make this process simple and easy to implement.